Master Time Management for General Ability, CSS Exam Tips. Are you struggling to finish the General Ability section on time? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share proven time management tips that will help you solve questions quickly and efficiently, giving you the edge you need in your CSS exam. Section 1. Importance of time management in General Ability. The General Ability section is designed to test your speed, accuracy, and logical thinking. With questions from areas like math, reasoning, and data interpretation, time management is crucial for scoring well. Challenges in General Ability, time pressure, varied question types, need for quick calculations. Section 2. Tips for effective time management. Let's dive into the top time management tips for the General Ability section. Tip 1. Prioritize easy questions. Start with the questions you find easiest. This will help you gain confidence and save time for tougher ones later. Start easy, build momentum. Tip 2. Use the 2-minute rule. Spend no more than 2 minutes on a single question. If it's taking too long, skip it and return later. Don't get stuck. Move on. Tip 3. Practice mental math. Sharpen your mental math skills to save time during calculations. Avoid relying on a calculator unless absolutely necessary. Quick math. Save time. Tip 4. Read the question carefully. Don't rush through the question. Misreading can lead to errors and wasted time. Read twice, solve once. Tip 5. Manage data interpretation. Wisely. Break data interpretation questions into steps. Identify trends first, then perform calculations. Analyze, simplify, solve. Section 3. Exam Day Strategies. On exam day, keep these strategies in mind. 1. Allocate time per section. Spend about 20-25 minutes on each part. 2. Keep 5-10 minutes for revising answers. 3. Stay calm and focused even if you find a question tricky. Exam day. Checklist, time allocation, revision. Stay calm. Section 4. Practice makes perfect. The secret to mastering time management: practice, practice, and more practice. Solve past papers, take mock tests, and simulate exam conditions to build your speed and confidence. Master time management through practice. With these time management tips, you're ready to tackle the General Ability section like a pro. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with fellow aspirants, and subscribe to our channel for more CSS exam tips. Subscribe for more exam success tips.